Hello everyone. Today is 29 September 2021 and our today's topic is contentment. Before discussing the topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sagar Patil. I have done my graduation from Godavari College of Engineering, Jalgaon, and I am from Nandurbar, Maharashtra. So returning to our topic, contentment. What is contentment? Contentment is a feature of object-oriented programming in Java. Uh, it is a simple approach in which class B needs to access the properties, methods, variables, and fields of class B into the class A. Rather than inheriting it, it creates the object of a class A. We can prefer containment over inheritance. So it is useful to prefer containment over inheritance. Let us discuss with the example. So uh, let's take a class living thing in which there are some methods like walking, talking, can walk, can talk, can laugh, can run, can eat, etc. Now take another class, or create another class uh, mankind, which is inherited from the class living things. So in this, the the living thing class is a parent class, and mankind class is a child class. So if we want to inherit the we want just uh, we just want a mankind mankind just talk and walk. We don't want the methods like laughing, eating, running, etc. Now create another class which is derived from living things. Name it as a name it as a animal. In animal, there are some methods which are not useful, such as laughing and talking. So to avoid this situation, uh, it is recommended to use the containment over inheritance. As we have already seen that inheritance, we say it as it is a relationship. Like this, in containment, we say it as has a relationship. So let us discuss this in taking an example of another example of containment. Uh, Let us take a class A, A1, B1, C1, and C3. Sorry, let take a class A1, A2, A3, and A4. In class A1, there are instance variables and a constructor which takes the parameter and initialize this instance variable to in constructor. And there is one method, display method, which displays this data. So uh, take another class A2, which have also its instance variables, constructors, and methods. In this A2, we create an object of A1, and uh, same as A2, A1, and A2, there are two methods calling A3 and A4. Oh man. In A4, we the A4 class in class A4, we create an object of class A4 in main method, and in main method, object of A1 A4 is called by display method,